Welcome to my classroom. I'm going to show you around a little bit, and we're going to look at a few of the toys that are in my room and how we could use them. Well, I'll show you them and then you can figure out how you would want to use them. And I do love showing off my damage sign. It's a lot of fun. So in our classroom, we have a new printer and the ink that goes with it. So this printer is going to be for sublimation of cricut type of work, and it's a special ink that we use, sublimation ink, and we need the papers, which are somewhere, and this is going to be doing transfers with the heat press. Here we have our first Adventurer 4. It's a hatch box. This is a 3D printer. And now this is the fun area. We have one Dremel that needs some service. It needs a little bit of love. 1, 2, 3 other Dremels. We have one MakerBot Sketch. It's a smaller version. And an Adventurer 4, our other one. And they are all currently running PLA. And right now they are not working. My students haven't made anything yet. And a printer, regular printer. This is my favorite toy. It's a glowforge. It actually has a pass-through slot. When you open it up, you put your material down. I have made pins that go in to hold the wood or material down. You can actually take this off, mind the mess, and I can lift this out so I can actually cut on things a little bit larger lengthwise, not widthwise. Width we have one standard, and we make our own graphics, and then we cut. Under here we have the air filter. So that's what we have here. And we have lots of materials thanks to our grant. And well, I buy my own, whatever the students want to make. Here I have a cricut, and this I got at the dollar store. But if I open it, a little bit, ta-da, a cricut Maker 3, and an extra blade. I actually 3D printed that myself. And over here we have a heat press that is not plugged in currently. It has a mat, and this can only be used when I'm around because it is hot. A little bit of nostalgia up here. My Macs through the ages. These are actually Macs I found in the school. Now that you've seen a lot of the stuff around my room, what is the first thing that you would want to make?